The 45 days are already running. Two of the respondents, the Electoral Commission and the Attorney General, were served yesterday, meaning they are left with just 2 days to file their responses with the registry of the Supreme Court. And Robert Kyagulanyi's lawyers spent hours of the day looking for respondent number 1, Yoweri Museveni, who, according to the procedure, they should be able to serve in person not later than tomorrow.
Well, we left plot 14 after being guided to come to plot 13, that is the legal department of the NRM party. We've reached here and there's only one policeman who is guarding the place, but he has informed us that for some days now no one has been here, and for some days to come no one will be here. We might not have any other option but to try and either reach out to some of those contacts that we think can guide us to where the president is. If not, we might be constrained to apply for substitute service. We might need to serve the president through the papers.
So our preparation as the legal team starts from that time when we were conducting our own primaries, and so we keep the team together. We keep reviewing previous petitions. We keep looking at what kind of issues will arise. Of course, we know the grounds. The grounds are set up in the Constitution and in the Presidential Elections Act. We know what they are, but each election has its own facts and the sort of evidence that someone would be raising or issues. So we just review those petitions, we review the law, and also look at what other jurisdictions elsewhere. So we already have a team. It's always been there. We already have a team. It's the same team that defended him in 2016 election against the Right Honorable Muhumuza's petition. I don't have the exact number of the law firms, but the number of the lawyers is about 42.
If President Museveni is served, then he will have 3 days within which to file his responses. Then the justices of the Supreme Court will look through the submissions and then convene a pre-hearing conference where all the parties will agree on how the trial will go.
Then the court will set a hearing date, which should also take about a week or so. And then the justices will have the rest of the days to write the decision of the court. And that decision should be ready and delivered on or about 17th of March.
Out of the 10 justices of the Supreme Court, only 9 are available during the hearing, but it's not yet clear if they will all make up the bench. The minimum according to the law is 7. The number has to be odd to avoid a deadlock on ruling. Robert Kyagulanyi's lawyers say they are still collecting evidence and they might ask court for further filing. But what evidence is admissible in court? Without prejudging this case, the petitioner's lawyers have an uphill task of rendering reliable evidence. Evidence that's beyond what people just talk about. For instance, not all videos that are making rounds on social media may be admissible in court. You require sworn affidavits to support those videos. For instance, who recorded the video, using what gadget, in which place, a task the NUP lawyers say they are up to, and we can only wait and see. Muhumuza.